Sudden explosion took place from the before opening the slide gate. The force of the blast ignited a fire that spread up to the ceiling and also set an overhead crane on fire. Due to that incident, around 8 valuable lives had been lost. Around 6 people got severely wounded, injured, and 2 of them got first-degree burns. Yesterday around 4:15 p.m., a severe explosion happened during the continuous casting process at steel melting shop in Visakhapatnam steel plant. Sudden explosion took place from the before opening the slide gate. The force of the blast ignited a fire that spread up to the ceiling and also set an overhead crane on fire. Due to that incident, around 8 valuable lives had been lost. Around 6 people got severely wounded, injured, and 2 of them got first-degree burns, second-degree burns, and we don't know how many of that 6 will survive. I hope we are giving our best for their survival. An entire state machinery is working for their to keep them alive, and also. For regular employees, 1.72 crores, 1.72 crores and monthly benefit pension will be there. For contract workers, 45.7 lakhs and the monthly benefit PF pension will be there. But each of the deceased employee, around 25 lakhs ex gratia will be given. And apart from that, PM also has announced 2 lakhs from the PM fund. The relief fund. So these are the accidents which keep on happening in the entire industrial belt of every 6 months or 8 months, somewhere in the this particular part of industrial sector, some incidents keep on happening, and that too, this level of blast never occurred before. In all these 30 plus years, such incident never took place. That's what I've been asking my colleagues also. I said, what exactly, had it happened before in any other steel plant across the world? I said, this particular lateral blast never happened till to date. Even there were other kind of accidents occurred even in China and France, but never a lateral blast. There is no such chance to, a blast to take place in particular operation. So it is quite... it's a new aspect or a new perspective which a team has to look into it. People, they have filed a case in concerned police station. Apart from that, around 3 men, Bokaro steel plant experts are coming to see how exactly it happened, why it took place, and any kind of negligence or the safety protocols have not been, had they been really, adopted well or not. Any negligence is there from that side. Any security audit is missing, any previous blasts are there, such incidents occurred but unreported. I think all these things, from these multiple perspectives they do, and until they give a report to us, I think we should wait and see. Until then, it's more on, we will stand by families, the victim families, we will stand by them. And it is very sad, very quite painful. Our heartfelt condolences to the entire family members, and we'll stand by them. Thank you.
Is there any safety lapses in that? Any safety lapses?
No, that's what the committee has to say.